A world without religion, gains and losses. A world without religion, a society shaped purely by reason, science, and human laws. No churches, no mosques, no temples, no prayers, no religious wars, no sacred texts. Would we be better off, or would we lose something fundamental to our identity? Since the dawn of civilization, religion has shaped human history. It has built empires, inspired art, and provided meaning to billions, but it has also fueled wars, justified oppression, and divided societies. If religion had never existed, how would the world look today? Some argue that without religion, humanity would have progressed faster. Scientific discoveries, from astronomy to medicine, were often delayed or suppressed by religious dogma. Galileo was silenced for claiming the Earth revolved around the sun. Darwin's theory of evolution faced massive opposition. If religious institutions hadn't held back knowledge, would we be exploring the stars by now? And then there's war and violence. History is filled with conflicts rooted in religious differences. The Crusades, the 30 Years' War, the Inquisition. Without religion, would these wars have been avoided? Or would humans have simply found new reasons to fight? Power, land, ideology. After all, wars have been waged over nationalism, political beliefs, and resources, with or without religion. But before we assume a world without religion is a utopia, let's consider what we might lose. Morality, community, and a sense of purpose. These are things religion has provided for centuries. The Ten Commandments, Buddhist teachings, Islamic principles, they've shaped human ethics. Would we still have a universal moral code, or would laws be based purely on self-interest? Religion has also been a force for good. Many of history's greatest humanitarian efforts, from hospitals to charities, have been driven by faith. Without religious communities, would we have built as many schools, orphanages, or shelters? Would people still find hope in dark times, or would they feel lost in a meaningless universe? And what about art, music, and literature? Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel, Beethoven's Missa Solemnis, the literary works of Dostoevsky, all deeply inspired by religion. Would a world without religion lack the same depth of creativity and expression? Perhaps the real question is not whether religion is good or bad, but whether humanity needs belief in something greater. Would we have replaced religion with another system, philosophy, nationalism, technology, to give us a sense of unity and purpose? Or maybe without religion, we would have created a new kind of faith, not in gods, but in science, humanism, and our collective future. What do you think? Would a world without religion be more peaceful, advanced, and rational, or would we lose something essential to our humanity? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more thought-provoking what-if scenarios.